The package I've been waiting for has finally arrived from Australia. It is full of sewing goodies, and I can't wait to open it up and share what's inside with you. Hi, I'm Tony, and this is Sew Sew Lounge. Now, if you're wondering where this box came from, other than just Australia, this is from Kylie and the Machine. Now, this is a newer shop that I came to know about based on an ad that I think I saw on Instagram. And they had this really fantastic product that I could not find anywhere else, and so I had to order it. But then, because it's coming all the way from Australia, I decided to pick up a few little extra things that were just kind of fun. And I am going to show you what all those are. And, oh, it actually has my name on top of the box. So let's get into here. And, oh, how cute. It's a little label that says thank you from Kylie and the Machine. It says you rule. I love that. That's so sweet. I love getting free stuff when you order things. Little thank you notes. And this is full of peanuts, which I did not plan for. So let me go find something to put all this in, and I'll be right back. All right, I've got a bag now to put all this in. I was not expecting packing peanuts. I was thinking it might be bubble wrap, but okay, so I'm really loving how everything is wrapped. I was not expecting that. This box is packed very, very well. Down at the bottom, which is the reason that I decided to make this purchase, is this very cool fabric ID tape. It is for marking all of your fabric. And as you know, I have a ton of fabric, and I need to keep track of what's going on with it. Okay, box is empty. Move this all out of the way. So this is fabric ID tape. I don't know if you have seen these ads on Instagram. I don't know that I would have necessarily found Kylie and the Machine without the ad, because this is like the most amazing thing ever. So basically it's tape, and you attach it to the selvage of your fabric. Basically it has two little sections, and then you cut it off, and it has like, is it pre-washed, yes or no, any notes that you need to make, the fiber content, the width and the length, which is something that I am constantly struggling with because I never remember how much fabric I buy. And so that is super, super helpful. And then also where it came from. So I got 4 rolls of this because I was going to give 1 to a friend, keep 2 for myself, and then save 1 for a live stream prize at some point in the future. I was going to do it for the Christmas live stream giveaway, but this box did not arrive in time, so I'll save it for another one. Now, they had a special going on with a festive bauble that you got for free if you spent so much money. And so I got that as well, which is in this cute little packaging. And it's super adorable. And there's some fun little labels in here. And a little sewing club pin, which is one of the things I wanted, and one of the reasons I chose this one, because this one said Sewing Club, and it has a little Kylie and the Machine logo underneath, and then it has all these cute little tiny little labels in it, and a little label folding guide. So all super cute things. I'm very excited about this, and I'm going to put these back in here for now because I don't want to lose them. So this is my other package, which is so pretty and wrapped. It's kind of fun to order stuff and then get it wrapped because it makes it feel so much more special than it would be. And these were some fun little label collector tins. These were on sale. They said that they were slightly damaged. It looks like there's a little scuff here, so they were half price, which was a good deal. And I wanted to just get a little box for some labels. I do have So Lounge labels, and they're just kind of in the drawer in a little plastic baggie. And I thought this would be a little bit nicer. So I got one for me. Oh, I got 3, that's right, because I was going to give 1 to my sister and 1 to Jen and then 1 for me. So that's what it was. I remember now, it's been a while. So then I also got these super cute labels. These were all on sale too. So this one says party dress, because I just thought those were fun. These labels say dream it, make it. And my idea was to give some of these to Anna and Jen because, you know, we all sew. Well, Anna does more quilting and bag making, but I think some of these will work for her as well. This one just says fabulous. These say sew all the things. That's very much my motto and Jen's motto. This is eat, sleep, sew. And last but not least, super proud of this. So I just thought these were fun little labels to make. To just add in. I have, like I said, I have So Lounge ones, but I just think that they're kind of cute and they were all on sale. And I thought they'd be fun little stocking stuffers. And it just was something that was kind of, I don't know, I was just excited about getting something new and different. And like I said, what I was really going for was this fabric tape, and I can't wait to use it and get my fabric better organized. Like, it's all out, but I don't know how much is on each of these bolts. So in lieu of having to unwrap everything, measure it, and then figure out if that's enough for my next project, I think I'm going to just do that all once, add my fabric ID tape to each bolt, and then I will know exactly how much I have when I'm ready to sit down and sew it. If you've enjoyed this video, you totally want to check out this one coming up next. I know you're going to love it. I'll see you over there.